குருவருளே திருவருள். ஓம் நமோ பகவதே. அப்பா தவத்திரு கர்மயோகி அவர்கள் அன்பர்களுக்கு தன்னுடைய அருளை அன்னையின் கொள்கைகள் மூலிமா எப்படி செயல்பட்டார் அவங்களோட வாழ்க்கையில் அப்படின்னு அவருடைய மலரும் நினைவுகள். அவர் சுப்ராமெண்டல் வேர்ல்டில் இருக்கிறதுனால திரு அசோகன் மதர் சர்வீஸ் சொசைட்டியின் செக்ரட்டரி அசோகன் அண்ணா சொன்னது அந்த இன்விடேஷன் ஃபாரமில் இருக்கிறதுக்கு இணங்க நான் இதை பதிவு பண்ணுறேன். அப்பாவுடைய மலர் பாதங்களில் சரணம் சமர்ப்பணம். மே மை ஈகோ பி டீத்ரோன் ஃப்ரம் த இன்னர் சாங்டம் அண்ட் மதர் ஆக்குபை இட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நான் ஆங்கிலத்தில் பதிவு பண்ணிவிட்டு என்னோடய அனுபவங்களை தொடர்ந்து அதே கண்டினியூவேஷனாக தமிழில் பேசுகிறேன். I was from a simple middle class family. In my parents' side, they have lot of debits, lot of loans due to a karma from my father's mother. So in the form of her sister. So in short, I don't want to elaborate the personal things. So Appa arrived our home in the form of Annayin Darisanam, Annayin Arul from Mambalam Meditation Center. When I entered MMC, I was working as a receptionist in Computer Maintenance Corporation franchisee. I had no knowledge on anything. Then Appa was introduced to me through Annayin Darisanam, the most powerful book ever in his writings. Upon reading the same, I entered mother in the age of 19 plus, if I'm not wrong, 19 plus or 20. So in place of people reading all other novels by leading Tamil authors and weeklies and dailies, whenever I get time, even including the Ranganathan Street, Pandi Bazaar, in bus, because we were in a remote place near Pulidivakam, so it requires lot of travel. In bus, train, wherever I am, I will be with Annayin Arul, Annayin Darisanam. That time, Appa made me to write a scholarship program in National Institute of Information Technology. I was earning only 300 rupees per month in that center. From there, it went on. Annayin Darisanam slowly entered our home. Then the photos of the Divine Mother and Aurobindo, Jeevanulla photos, entered our home. So Appa slowly clean swiped all the loans. He brought harmony into the family through his books and the flowers which have been described in those books. Then he gave me an opportunity to attend a scholarship program in National Institute of Information Technology. My paternal father encouraged me to write the exam. I wrote it. I got the scholarship. I was admitted for Bachelor of Commerce in the correspondence course. I left the college because of huge key money. That time it was for the forward quota. Then Shri Karmayogi Appa gave me this opportunity. He gave me the NIT scholarship program. So I am from a remote place in Chennai, not less than a village. So except the English, I don't know anything in the modernized education or the society way of work, professionalism, etc. And above all, due to the debits in my family, I am always very timid to speak my own thoughts. Somewhere the fear will be lying in my personality. So when I entered there, I was wearing a simple sandals, a simple dress, a salwar, with a huge hope. And in place of carrying all the modernized books with the youths do, I was carrying Appa's powerful Annayin Darisanam. I went there, I attended. I faced a heavy synchronization problem between people's personality because all are from very highly educated English convents. They know what is a computer, they know what is a software, they all had PCs at their home. So I'm from a remote place, I need to compete in that bash. Appa taught me what is database, Appa taught me what is Foxbase, Appa taught me what is Fox Pro. So then I was reading a line in Annai Darisanam that Annaiyoda Putthagangal, mother's books carry her atmosphere. So this next second, the library was not accessible to all the students of that NIT institute. But there was a change in the center in charge. She's made everything, she revised the rules and she made all the software books available to all the students, irrespective of what is the course they have enrolled. That is, whether it is a costly course, 4 years course or 1 year course or 6 months course. She said all the books are accessible to all the students. So that was the first place where I saw Appa's blessing. From there on, I entered the classroom, I entered the mind room. There will be a very legitimately a funny thing of a PC hanging on top of your head and they call it as mind room. So I was timid. I don't know to mingle with people because of the family situation I was in. All the time I will have some sort of reservations. I'm not open up to speaking. Then Appa brought a faculty where he is also from the interior place of Tamil Nadu. So he synchronized my fear through him. Slowly, Appa taught me what is a software, what is a technician, what is a PC, what is a hardware, what is technology, how to speak, how to dress. Till now, I'm a person who is not known for speaking at all among my family members, among my cousins. But now, Appa's blessings has made me to be a powerful consultant, and I was a leading soft skills trainer for the past 15 plus years in the GCC. So I'm meeting CEOs, I'm meeting MDs, I'm meeting entrepreneurs, I'm meeting financial consultants, I'm meeting government officials. So it is not I am me meeting. It is he who is our master Sri Karma Yogi, who is the reason for all these developments. Then there was a final drama of those people who have got huge societal background, who have got convent education. Those can spend huge money on the drafting and presentation of the documents regarding the software projects, have been qualified to get placed in the leading institutions or leading employment opportunities. So that case, I started frequenting MMC. Then I went there and I sat. I got 2 opportunities from Hindu newspaper and one through the family member. One is RPG Cellular, the other one is Shankar Nethralaya Hospital, Chennai. So, both the covers I placed in the MMC main hall near the mother, and the cover which fell down was Shankar Nethralaya. So, there the service devotee said that which is given by the mother is on the table. So the Shankar Nethralaya was on near her. That which fell was RPG, and then I later learnt there is some drama inside that contract form. So she took me to Shankar Nethralaya Hospital. She gave me the service opportunity. Everything was over. When I sat down in the NIT platform, the best project presentation, the best technical presentation, everything was to me in amidst 450 students who are contesting for that main certificate. So, looking back on Sri Ashokan's invitation of what a guru can do to a disciple, he is mother, father, guru, friend, teacher. Appa is a very great teacher, because if you start reading one concept, you cannot end up with only one solution. He will make you to open. Those who know the software can very well understand. He will give me 3 to 4 solutions to a single problem to execute one program. So this is the first experience I have. He is the person who placed me in the Middle East job. He is the person who placed me again in Dubai in Citibank. So this is the first experience with Appa. So when I went there and when I saw the mark sheets and when I saw the details of the students, everyone was from a top convent from Chennai except me, who had an education in the local public school. Of course, I had an 1 year education with Rosary. Later, we have been shifted to that place. So, அப்பாவை ஆழத்தில் ஏற்றுக்கிறவங்களுக்கு அவர் பலிக்க தவறுவதில்லை. Gratitude for this opportunity. In Tamil, I will try to speak and record my humble experiences. Om Namo Bhagavate.